Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see connected Wi-Fi password on your PC. Either you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10, this video is going to help you to do just that. So the thing you need to do is to head over to your settings on your PC. You can search it using the search bar over here. When you open settings, as you can see, I'm using Windows 11. So I'm going to head over to network and internet. So you can also search here if you want to follow along. Network and internet. After that, I'm going to click on Wi-Fi. As you can see, there's a Wi-Fi connected to my machine right now. So after that, I'm going to click on manage known network. This is it. Click on it. And after that, we have a lot of Wi-Fi over here. The one that I'm connected, if I want to find the password, I'm going to look for it here. So let's say I want to find the password for this Wi-Fi name. So I click here. Right. Okay, after that, I scroll down. This advanced Wi-Fi network properties. I tap on edit. When I tap on edit, you can see connection and you can also see security. So tap on security and this is the password over here. So if you want to see the password, just tap on show character. So I'm going to blur mine. That's it. That's mine. When you tap on this icon show character, it's going to show you all the passwords, so you can get the password of the connected Wi-Fi. So if the video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.